Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to change your Herman Miller Mirra one-seat flex front seat mechanism and install a new one. We'll have more videos on replacing Herman Miller one chair's arm pads, back, gas cylinder, and the whole refurbishing process. Stay tuned! First, remove the bolts from both sides to free the seat. It's essential to note that prior to using the electric drill to remove the bolts, you should either use a T40 drive long handle pair head or a star key wrench. Otherwise, the bolt might strip. Generally, using the drive long handle pair head can be easier. Next, remove the seat. Now, remove the old flex front seat mechanism from your old damaged seat to use it on your new seat by unbolting the screws as shown. Next, install the flex front mechanism into the new Mirra Flex seat. It should be noted that Mirra one seats have two kinds of front mechanisms, flex front and fixed front. These two kinds have different mechanisms. In this video, we're working on the flex front mechanism, so please double check the compatibility of the item prior to purchasing the replacement. Slide the seat back on its rails. Tighten the bolts from both sides. Finally, check the functionality of the flex front mechanism and adjust it. We have all sorts of Mirra One replacement parts on our website at OfficeLogixShop.com. Make sure to check it out.